How to use Safe Mode startup settings to fix PC fast. Safe Mode helps diagnose and fix system issues by starting with minimal drivers, making it easier to remove malware, uninstall problematic software, and resolve driver conflicts. Step 1. Hold Shift before click Restart to change startup settings. Hold Shift button, then click Restart. Step 2. Change startup settings, enable Safe Mode, disable drive signature. Use number keys or function keys F1, F9 to choose. By pressing 5 or F5, we logged into Safe Mode with Internet. Method 2. Use shutdown/R/O/F/T0 to log into Safe Mode. Run CMD as Administrator, type above command then enter. We suggest this fast easy method. Method 3. Run MsConfig to log into Safe Mode. In Boot tab, select Safe Boot, click OK, and restart. To return to normal, uncheck Safe Boot. Not recommended for beginners. Method 4. System Recovery Options Advanced Startup Restart Now. Thanks for your watching. Like, share, subscribe now.